Hey guys, this is Dr. McCord, the Associate Principal at Robinson Middle School, with just a little tech tip that might be beneficial. We're talking about linking your Canvas calendar to your Google Calendar. And so in the screen here, I went ahead and skipped steps 1 and 2. They seemed slightly irrelevant. So we're starting with step 3 here. So in Canvas, all you're going to do, and what this will eventually do, is populate your assignments not only in your Canvas calendar but in your Gmail. And parents, you can do the same thing if you really want to, and add alerts to that. But you go to your calendar in Canvas, step 3. So click on calendar, and then step 4 suggests that you go to the right bottom portion of your screen once you're in your calendar, and you select calendar feed. And that calendar feed is essentially just a URL that you're going to copy. And once copied, you're going to go to your Google Calendar. I'm going to pull up mine right here. And so in that Google Calendar, you're going to go to the other calendar option and hit the plus button. Once you hit the plus button, you're given many options, and the one you're going to select is from URL. And all you're going to do is just copy and paste that URL that populated from Canvas from your calendar feed and click Add Calendar. And once you do that, you will have synced your Canvas calendar or your student's Canvas calendar to your Google Calendar. Again, this might be for you and it might not, but it's just another way to kind of streamline the assignments that are populated for dates.